How to make your own Practicum Portfolio. Make your own cover or title page. Table of contents included after the title page or cover to help readers navigate the portfolio. Required artifacts are artifacts that you have to include in the portfolio, as this covers the standard work that you do in the LDMS. Each page must follow this format. 3.1 Learners' gender, needs, strengths, interests, and experiences. 3.4 Learners in difficult circumstances. 4.1 Planning and management of teaching and learning process. 4.2 Learning outcomes aligned with learning competencies. 5.1 Design, selection, organization, and utilization of assessment strategies. 4.5 Teaching and learning resources including ICT. 7.3 Professional links with colleagues. 7.5 Professional development goals. Self-selected artifacts are those that you might consider having in your portfolio to satisfy criteria used in assessing it.